We are explorers. Curiosity is woven into our very nature, driving us to seek out the unknown and push beyond the boundaries of our world. For millennia, we gazed at the stars and wondered what secrets they held, dreaming of distant worlds and the mysteries that lay beyond our reach. Then we built ships, not to cross oceans but to cross the cosmic sea, daring to send our creations into the vastness of space. Voyager One, launched in 1977, became our greatest emissary, a symbol of human ingenuity and hope. It gave us our first close-up views of Jupiter and Saturn, transforming distant points of light into vibrant, swirling worlds filled with storms, rings, and moons. Its primary mission was a triumph, revealing wonders we had only imagined. But its journey didn't end there. After Saturn, Voyager 1 began a solitary trek toward the stars, traveling farther than any human-made object in history, venturing into the unknown. In 2012, it crossed the heliopause, the invisible boundary where the sun's influence ends and true interstellar space begins, becoming the first spacecraft to enter this new frontier. Now Voyager 1 is over 24 billion kilometers from home, so distant that its faint signals take nearly a day to reach us, a whisper across the cosmic ocean. It carries the golden record, a message in a bottle for the cosmos, filled with sounds, music, and greetings from Earth, hoping to tell our story to any who might find it. Today, July 27, 2025, Voyager's power is fading, its instruments growing silent, but it still whispers precious data across the void, defying the darkness. We thought its greatest discoveries were behind it, that its mission was nearly complete. But the universe had one more surprise in store, something no one could have predicted. Voyager 1 was about to encounter something that would challenge everything we thought we knew, rewriting the story of our place in the cosmos. A ripple of awe and uncertainty was about to return to the small blue dot it left behind, uniting humanity in wonder once again. The story of Voyager was far from over, its journey and the mysteries it would uncover had only just begun. In the cold, quiet vacuum between the stars, Voyager 1 drifted through a sparse sea of plasma. For decades, it had journeyed farther than any human-made object, its mission now a silent odyssey into the unknown, far beyond the warmth of our sun. For years, its instruments registered the steady hum of interstellar space, a constant, almost soothing background of cosmic noise. Then, a few months ago, the data changed in a way no one expected. The plasma wave system detected a sudden, intense burst, like a wake in a calm lake, a ripple that broke the endless monotony. Something had passed by, creating a disturbance that stood out sharply against the cosmic background. This was no glitch. The disturbance was sustained and moving. NASA's team checked and rechecked the data. Voyager's systems were fine, operating as expected with no sign of malfunction. The signal was real, and it was external. Something was out there with Voyager 1, sharing that lonely patch of space, intruding upon its solitude for the first time in decades. At first, scientists hoped for a natural explanation, a new plasma wave perhaps, or a cosmic ray event, something that could be cataloged and explained by known physics. But as more data arrived, the mystery only deepened. The disturbance didn't match any known natural event, and its signature was unlike anything previously recorded. It was localized, moving, and seemed to follow a defined trajectory, almost as if it had intent, or was being guided by some unseen force. Voyager 1, our farthest messenger, was no longer alone. It had found something, or perhaps something had found it, breaking the silence of interstellar space. The universe had sent a visitor, and with it, a new chapter in the story of exploration was about to begin. Voyager 1 can't take pictures in the darkness. It senses its environment through a suite of sophisticated instruments, each designed to reveal the invisible. In the vast emptiness between stars, where sunlight is faint and objects are shrouded in shadow, Voyager relies on these tools to perceive what human eyes never could. The plasma wave system listens for subtle vibrations in the interstellar plasma, picking up faint signals that ripple through the void. Meanwhile, the magnetometer measures magnetic fields acting like a compass in space, detecting invisible lines of force that thread through the cosmos. When the mysterious object passed by, it created a wake in the plasma and a dramatic fluctuation in the magnetic field. The data revealed a sudden compression and a draping of magnetic field lines, as if space itself was being sculpted by an unseen hand, an invisible force at work. This dual detection confirmed that a real, physical object was responsible. The plasma waves revealed its passage, while the magnetic field data showed its powerful influence. Together, these readings painted a picture of something tangible, yet hidden. The object moved at incredible speed, far faster than any known natural object in that region of space. Yet it was completely dark to radar, emitted no detectable heat, and revealed itself only by the disturbances it left behind in the environment. It was stealthy, like a submarine gliding silently through the deep ocean, detectable only by the swirling wake it left behind. Voyager had sensed a ghost in the void, an enigma that could only be traced by the ripples it made in the fabric of space itself. The more scientists studied the data, the stranger the object became. Its speed was a significant fraction of light, far beyond any known natural object. Its trajectory didn't point to a supernova or black hole, it seemed to move under its own power. Most astonishing, it made a slight but deliberate course correction. Natural objects don't change direction in deep space. This implied propulsion, even intent. The object was compact, yet its influence was immense. It was non-reflective, emitted no heat, and was nearly invisible except for its effects. No known phenomenon fit this profile. Every natural explanation failed. Cosmic rays, dark matter, exotic plasma, all fell short. The evidence pointed to a single, unsettling conclusion. The object did not appear to be natural. Voyager had encountered the impossible. The cosmos had delivered a riddle. The debate exploded. Was this a new natural phenomenon or something artificial? Skeptics insisted extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. Maybe it was a new kind of super-dense object, or an unknown plasma event. But the combination of speed, size, maneuverability, and stealth was unprecedented. Others argued the simplest explanation was artificial origin, a probe, a ship, or technology from another intelligence. Its deliberate course correction and stealthy nature suggested design. This wasn't just academic, it forced us to confront the limits of our knowledge. If natural, it would revolutionize physics. If artificial, it would revolutionize everything else. The ancient question, are we alone, suddenly felt urgent. Either way, the universe had become a much bigger, stranger place. Voyager's discovery changed the conversation forever. Voyager's discovery ignited a firestorm in science and beyond. Astronomers scoured data for similar signatures, physicists raced to explain the anomaly. The event revived excitement not seen since the space race. It proved the value of long-duration missions, being out there, observing the unknown. Calls for new interstellar probes grew louder. The public was captivated. Our tiny messenger had met a stranger in the dark. For the first time, the possibility of extraterrestrial life felt real. Interest in science and space surged worldwide. The encounter reminded us how little we know. The universe is not obligated to fit our expectations. The era of great discovery is far from over. How does a discovery like this change us? For ages we believed we were alone, an idea woven into our culture and science. The Voyager anomaly, natural or artificial, shattered that certainty. If natural, it means the universe is more creative and surprising than we imagined. If artificial, it means we are not the first nor the most advanced intelligence in the galaxy. It would force us to rethink our place in the cosmos. Are we in danger or simply irrelevant? Regardless, the mystery has already changed us. Millions now look at the night sky with new wonder. The stars seem closer, the darkness less empty. We are united in curiosity, waiting for the next message from our lonely probe. The universe feels bigger, deeper, and filled with promise. Our cosmic perspective has shifted forever. Voyager One won't last forever. Its power will fade, its instruments will fall silent. It will drift through the galaxy, a ghost ship carrying the golden record. We thought its legacy would be the images of Jupiter and Saturn, but its greatest discovery may be this unresolved mystery. The encounter is a perfect coda to its journey, revealing not just the known, but the vast unknown. For every answer, the universe gives us more questions. This enigma unites us in awe and humility. Voyager's mission continues as a probe and as an idea. We may never know what it found, but that uncertainty is its greatest gift. The journey and the search goes on.